The time of leaving house. 70,000 Malaks, angels, protect you from the right, left, front and back. The person dies before returning. He will get 70 martyrs reward.
Recite Ayatul Kursi 40 times every day at the time of sunset. The person will get reward of 40 Hajj.
Recite Ayatul Kursi every day at the time of going bed. One Malak, angel, will guard the person till morning. Recite Ayatul Kursi every time after returning home. It keeps you away from poverty. Recite Ayatul Kursi every time after doing ablution, wuzu. Will raise person 40 times in rank from each word.
Please send this to your friends and family and enjoy the reward from Allah.